Hey guys, Master 2.0 here. Today I'll be doing an unboxing video. But guess what, guys? It's packages and unboxes. So, these items are from Amazon. I purchased them about a week ago. But anyway, I have my motorcycle knife here, as it says right there. You probably couldn't have seen it right there. But anyway, here it is. It's really cool. It looks like a real motorcycle. It was just a little too long.
Alright, flip it open. Boom.
It's got checker flag. You can't really see it, I don't think. But it is really cool. So, I'm not going to tell you what I got until you see it. Then I'll tell you what it is, in case you haven't figured it out already. So, first we're starting off with the little package. See, just barely, and it leaves a slit. Alright, man. Yeah, just like, whoops. You don't want to cut yourself. Safety first. This is a strong package. That works. We'll just let it open like that. So.
It looks open now.
It's not open until you can get inside of it. There you go. That's enough. Just tear it open here. I'm not gonna look inside of it. You guys will get the first look. Now there's a pack of paper that comes with it.
Read it.
Oh, it's just the shipping information. Okay.
Who's it from? Who's it from?
Amazon. Yeah, all these packages, guys, are from Amazon. There's only 2 packages. This next one, I think, is really cool. You guys are really gonna like it.
No, that one's from Timmy.
Timothy Green. So this is a huge package with, like...
Something very small.
Yeah.
But I guess it's like the big package, I guess.
It's special. We're gonna cut it from the bottom because, you know...
There's a small gift, but a big package.
We're special that way, you know? So we're just gonna stat it. Clean through. So,
You gotta go fast. Don't saw it, just slice it.
oh, I'm not even on the blade. Yeah.
I think it'll rip now.
You think it'll rip?
Look at him struggle.
Needle arm.
Don't look, show the viewers.
Okay, so I guess we don't
They can't see your fingers running away.
It is a practice butterfly knife. I wasn't gonna get the real thing. Like,
Yet.
I know how to use it and stuff, but I wasn't gonna get the real thing because, you know, I don't want to cut my fingers off. We all know that'll be bad. So this is a brand new one. It is metal.
Wait, stay like that. You're gonna have your,
Thumbnail?
Yeah.
No, you need a computer book. But, okay. Don't click that.
Clickbait.
But
He cut his he did what with that knife?
Wait,
Wait, open it up, put it on your finger. He did what with that knife?
So, it is pure metal. It is really sick. It's got a little safety latch right here.
Flip it open. I think it needs worked out. Now stick it on your finger.
It says, cannot be sharpened. The reason is because, okay, The one with the latch, the handle with the latch, is called the bite handle. That's because if you hold it, and usually if it's like a regular knife and it comes down,
It'll slice your fingers off.
this is the blade. This would be the blade, and it would
It's a teeth.
stop. This is my video. You're just a cameraman, man.
I just saw talk.
But so this would be the blade right here, and when it comes down and it would hit you, they would say like it would bite you because it's like a pinch, it's a snap. So
Hey, Chase.
this would be it. So you only go boom, boom,
I think I know how these work.
boom, 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 boom. So I might do like a video on how to use one and all the safeties and stuff that comes with it, all the privileges and stuff, you know. So I will be also doing another unboxing because more stuff should come in.
From other viewers.
So, guys, can't get my knife in here. How is this possible? There we go.
Woody.
And then also what's in this big package, obviously.
Instructions.
What's not in this package is the shipping stuff. So yeah, guys, that's all for this video. Time to fool your friends. Peace out,
They almost
guys.
look real.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Y'all have a good time. Peace.